Residents in Pepper, St. Elizabeth are upset over the lack of water in the community. The residents complain that this has been going on for some time. They say when they contact the National Water Commission (NWC), all they've been getting are empty promises. Shamela Pullen reports.
This is a tank that serves over 200 residents in Pepper and surrounding communities in St. Elizabeth. But for the past few weeks, the residents have been living without the precious commodity.
We're facing a challenge right now. We have no water in the home. When they came, they said it was about 6 days. They're going to go away for 6 days. And now it's 2 weeks and odd. We don't have any water. We have small children. Small children, a lot of clothes, type of clothes. And we have no drinking water. We cannot survive without drinking water. And the water out there, it cannot drink.
They're even more upset because a water truck that comes in the area to distribute water only delivered it to specific people. The residents complained that it is unfair and they will not accept this type of treatment.
Every step I way you see truck come in and it a truck water go out. And we're here and we can't get none. And we should not suffer because at the end of the day, when you look as anytime we can't get water, water should have in your truck. But we all are refused and we can't get no water.
They're calling on the National Water Commission and their political representatives to address the issue with some urgency.
The Water Commission, they are the people who in charge, response. So we are looking forward to them to fix this problem. Because over the years, if the pump even go off, then we would have a little water to supply the people in the community. This is not nice, man. This is not nice.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.